Hey guys, today I am going to make a little video about the exhaust that I decided to pick up for my S15. But before we dive into that, let me give you some backstory. My name is Alex and I purchased a 2000 Nissan Silvia Spec R. Problem is, it won't be road legal here in the US until 2025. While I wait for it to get here, I am slowly buying all the JDM goodies to put together my dream car. It just arrived the other day, all the way from Japan. Probably took about a month and a half to actually get here. If you're anything like me, I get very particular about the exhaust that I actually want to put on my car whenever I get a new vehicle. I spend probably a good, 5-6 hours looking at videos on YouTube and looking at different exhaust notes. So I spent a lot of time trying to research which one I wanted. There were not a lot of like SR20 DET exhaust sounds that I actually liked, kind of getting really picky. Eventually I did find an exhaust that I really liked. So what I ended up getting was the Yashio factory silent exhaust system for the S15. It is a completely titanium catback exhaust. After hearing some YouTube videos, there's not many out there. I did find one guy in Japan who actually did show his exhaust in probably 5 or 6 different videos, different runs, close up, driving. It was pretty cool. So shout out to KINOpic, the YouTube channel that actually recorded that video and uploaded it, because it actually helped me make my decision today. Since it is titanium, I'm gonna have to put some gloves on just to make sure I don't get any fingerprints on it. Because once fingerprints get on the exhaust, you can go ahead and clean them off before you actually start the car, but I'm just gonna keep it clean today and make sure I don't get any unnecessary prints on there that I can't clean off later. This box is shockingly light. It's very deceiving. Oh. Looks like it's packaged pretty nice. I did end up ordering this from RHDJapan. I've never ordered from that site before, so I didn't know if it was a legitimate site or if it was sketchy. So they were great. They were very communicative about the process getting it shipped. I use a payment method called Wise to actually send the funds, because you do have to buy them. You do have to send yen. So Wise actually offered the lowest cost of currency exchange, and I believe after all is said and done, it was about $15 to actually send the funds. It took about 2 days to get over to the vendor. Wow, this is...
It's like foam.
Foam.
Oh.
Since I won't have my car for another year and a half, I am going to end up putting this away and storing it. So I'm going to be careful about how I unpackage it, because I'm going to have to make sure it gets back in there. And this appears to be like really thick or dense foam packaging that's kind of formed to the exhaust, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to be careful about taking it apart here. Goes on the top. So I'm not going to take the whole thing apart because I really don't need to, obviously, today. But I did want to take a look at this exhaust because I know it has that really cool looking blue tip to it and Yashio emblem. Oh my goodness. That looks awesome. So this is the exhaust can, and I mean the rest of it obviously is just going to be the B pipe going into the catback. It's extremely light. It's like feels like nothing. It looks great. I mean, and honestly, I'm super impressed with the way it was packaged. I've ordered several exhausts over the years, and this is probably the best packaged exhaust that I've ever received. So definitely worth spending the money on this. I'm super happy with the way it looks, the outcome. And I mean, it's completely titanium. It looks amazing. The welds look amazing. I'm not going to have my car for another year and a half until 2025. It is a February car, so it should be legal to ship at the beginning of the year, which is awesome. This was one of the big purchases that I wanted to make because I knew it would take a while to get over here, and it was kind of expensive. This ended up costing me about $1,950. and about $530 of that was actually shipping. So the price between Right-Hand Drive Japan and actually straight from Yashio factory, because I did end up contacting Okachan. He emailed me back. The shipping was a little bit different. I think the shipping was a little better going through Right-Hand Drive Japan. One of the weird things going through them was there was a couple changes to the price during the transaction. So I ended up paying a little bit more after I made my first purchase. I think it ended up being an extra 150 bucks. That was due to apparently a vendor price change. And then there was actually a import fee from UPS once it came into the US. So that was kind of an unexpected charge, just because I had never imported any parts yet before. So now I know for the future that some of that stuff is not built in. So you can expect some charges from not only the currency exchange, but import costs and maybe even the customs fees. But overall, pretty happy. Right-Hand Drive Japan was very communicative with everything that was happening, the shipping, the updates, and it arrived in one piece and looks great. So super happy. So I'm gonna link all these. I'm gonna link these parts in the description below if you want to check them out yourself. I will also link a video of how the exhaust sounds from KINOpic's YouTube channel. If you guys want to follow along with my journey, feel free to like and comment and subscribe. And thanks for watching.